In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Vrbo account and listings to Guesty Lite. This seamless connection allows you to manage bookings, synchronize rates, and ensure your listing information is up to date across both platforms. Before starting, ensure your Airbnb account is connected to Guesty. It's crucial that your currency settings in both Guesty and Vrbo match to ensure accurate pricing synchronization. It is also important to note that only one Vrbo account can be connected at a time. Now, let's get started. Sign into your Guesty account. Click Channels, then select Vrbo from the drop-down menu. To connect your account, click Connect to Vrbo. You'll be prompted to enter your Vrbo login credentials. After entering your email and password, click Send Code. Enter the verification code you receive via SMS to proceed. Next, you'll see your Vrbo listings. Use the drop-down menu to the right of each listing to link it to its corresponding Guesty listing. If you don't see any listings, make sure they've been created and activated on Vrbo first. Now, let's enable message syncing between Vrbo and Guesty. Copy the Guesty integration email provided and go to your Vrbo account to add this email as Email To. Messages about confirmed paid reservations will appear in your Guesty inbox, allowing you to manage communications from one place, regardless of the booking platform the guest used. After completing these steps, your listings will change from pending to connected, usually within an hour. You can manage Vrbo reservations, guest messages, and base pricing within Guesty. Advanced pricing, settings, and listing content like descriptions, photos, and amenities can only be managed in Vrbo. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.